Morning all, this is Chaitanya from Seven Arrows. Today we are going to show you the installation of CloudWalker interactive panel 75 inch. We are installing this in Vishakhapatnam in an institute by name Pandit IIT Educational Society. They are the pioneers one of the pioneers in Vishakhapatnam in the IIT coaching. Along with plus 2. So let us start it. This is our team. We are just about to open the panel. Thank you. One more very important thing, normally when this panel comes, it even comes with a wooden panel. As if the root here was very short, we have removed it and we have brought it without the wooden covering. So wherever in the country we have to deal with this panel, it will be very easy for us. So these are the protectors that has to be removed before opening the panel. So good. Now we are just about to open it. Yeah. So great. Finally, the panel is opened. Okay, we're just opening the screen. We just have to check all the physical things. So this is just, yeah, this is perfect. This is the front end of the panel. It is looking perfectly fine. You can see. Here the good part is they have already fixed the stand here. And this is the cover of accessories. This is the cover of accessories. This is the remote. Okay. Power supply cable. This is a touch cable which comes with the panel. These are the screws for the wall mounting. This is a HDMI cable. This is a pointer, and these are the pins. And this is the license, Windows license. Okay. And this is the user manual. Okay. Now we have connected the power cable here, and the power supply had come. Now we are switching on the panel. The display is perfect. Perfect. Okay. Now we'll just see. It is perfect from all the corners. It's not defect at all. Yeah. So this is the CloudWalker CloudTouch 75 inch panel. So let us finish up the installation it on a stand and we'll get back to you. Thank you. So we have installed the back stand to the stand over here, which we can even do the wall mount. This is that particular stand which actually came along with the panel. Right now we have removed it and we have placed it on a stand. Now we are placing the panel on top of this stand. So basically this is the 75-inch interactive panel placed on top of a stand, right? Okay guys, we will switch on the panel. Before that, let me show you some gain factors. So this is the OPS part of the panel, and you can see that it is having a inbuilt double antenna Wi-Fi receiver. Okay, and these are the ports that are available. So USB 3.0, DP port is also there, touch port is there, HDMI is there. All these ports are available here. Hope you can see that. Thank you.
Jai Sri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram. So
Correct. LED gun is more better. LED is 65 inch.
yes sir, 65.
75.
Yes sir.
Okay. The light. Same others, no? Okay, interaction on those.
Yeah.
Why?
Now we have switched on the internal computer, that is the OPS which I have showed you on this particular panel. Now the OPS is getting switched on. So here finally we have installed CloudWalker 75 inch. Thank you.